Okay, now for your first alert forecast once again. It looks like we have a legit snowstorm coming our way, Lonnie. Schools are closing down in a lot of communities.
And I think rightfully so. The challenge, all right, for me and for Georgia and I working together on this is figuring out when we're going to eventually overwhelm the warm air. I mean, come on, guys. This weekend? I mean, some of you hit 60 degrees, and now we're talking snow moving in. It's happened before. I know a lot of you remember the Halloween storm where the day before we were 60 degrees and then we picked up quite a bit of snow. Right now outside what we're seeing, those leading clouds are making their way to the area. The storm is still well outside of our area, although, you know, the southern tip of Ocean County's had a couple little raindrops out there. We hit 48 for your high today. And again, the air mass is just too warm, meaning the earth is too warm to receive snowfall. 48 on top of 56 yesterday, 59 on Saturday. It's going to take a while, so let's time it out for you. Here's how it all works out. Put it into motion. Late tonight, you start to see some raindrops, even in and around New York City. This is 11:30. All right, it changes over. See that change over right there to some snow sometime around midnight in New York City. And here we are, 4 a.m. You're not accumulating. Not accumulating because the surface is just too warm. It's hitting, it's melting. Now, one of the calling cards from this particular storm is going to be the difference that you see in snow totals on the streets versus what you see on the grass surfaces in Central Park. There's going to be a huge difference there. Streets may just end up being very slushy. The park is going to accumulate quicker, all right? This is 4 o'clock in the morning. Now, from 4 o'clock until, say, 11 o'clock in the morning. That's when you're going to start to pile the snow up. This is 6:30, that bright band, that darker bluish color that you see right there. That's where you're collecting snow, and that's where it is accumulating. And then look at this. The rain snow line even pushes down with a pretty decent band in Ocean County at around 9:30 in the morning. And then by 12 noon, it's lingering in the city, but we are definitely calming down. The east end, you're still picking up some snow, and then it pushes out of the area. The skies start to clear. Big question is how much snow, and I'm going to show you some tools that we use now to put together our forecast for you, and they're all over the place. And just understand it comes down to where they see the storm positioning itself and when they see it turning over to snow. All right, the graph is suggesting the smallest numbers of anybody. 3.2 in the city, you're a 3.6 Brentwood, you're a 3.9 New Brunswick, 4.1 Toms River, 1.3 Monticello. The European, the trusted European, right, is on board with this, a little bit bigger. They're saying a 3.8 in the city, 4-inch reading in Brentwood, 4.4 in Toms River, 0.8 in Monticello. The models are in agreement that we do not see those typical places, well north and west, picking up the blockbuster totals. This is more, we're going to find a band setting up somewhere. Maybe it's over the city, maybe it's a little bit north, but we don't see it going well north, okay? Now, we'll go to the biggest numbers, all right? The high res is suggesting New York City picks up almost 10 inches of snow. 9.8. You're over 10 inches in Brentwood. 7.6 Belmar. 8.1 Sparta. Next to nothing for Monticello. What's the takeaway from this? Incredibly uniform. 7 to 10 for anybody in the area. We need to put together our forecast to tell you what to expect. And what I think you got to consider the fact is it's going to take some time to start accumulating that snow. You got to overwhelm the atmosphere. It's snowing but not accumulating. And then remember this, there's going to be some sleet involved. Sleet compresses snowfall totals. So what we've got, 4 to 7 inches around the city. Possibly the southern boroughs would be less, maybe a 2 to 5 inch range, and then a coating to 2 as you go well to the south. We think the band with the heaviest snow would be just north of the city. If I'm going to give you roadways, 287 and Route 80. Anywhere north of that is where we see this setting up. And then the farther north you go, the numbers this time get smaller. That's our forecast for you guys. Here's how we see everything coming together for your 7-day. Treacherous driving for sure Tuesday morning. All right, we have a tough time, you know, with driving conditions around here when it's raining. Well, now you will be dealing with snow during the Tuesday morning commute. It is out of here quickly. The afternoon hours on Tuesday, skies are clearing. It's clear for Wednesday. The high temperature on Wednesday does not get out of the 30s.
Hard enough to drive when the road is dry.
That's what I'm quite frankly. I didn't go down that road.
You know how it is.
But you know what? There weren't a lot of people out today, so maybe they just take another day off tomorrow.
This is true. Work from home.
Yeah. I said it earlier. If you can work remotely tomorrow, I highly encourage it.
Thank you, Lonnie.